Hey everyone, today we're going to be using a very fancy math word, and that fancy math word is polygon. So this is our third lesson, and we're going to be first starting off though by reading this book called There Is a Square. So in this book, there's going to be lots of different kinds of shapes, and some of them are polygons and some of them are not polygons. I'm going to tell you when we see a polygon and see if at the end you can figure out what the rule might be for what is a polygon and what isn't a polygon. There is a square, a book about shapes. Here's your first clue, not a polygon. Yes, a polygon, not a polygon. Where is square? Here's a square, there's one there, and one there. Find some more squares to share. Can you find a couple of them? All the squares are polygons. A circle is round. Look around, look around. Show me some circles that you found. A circle is not a polygon. A triangle, see? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle is a polygon. Count triangles with me. How many triangles do you see in that picture? I'll hold it there for a second so that you can count. Sing the rectangle side, 2 short sides, 2 sides long. Ring the rectangle song. A rectangle is a polygon. An oval, you know, looks like an O. Here's a great oval show. It might be a great oval show, but it's not a polygon show. Now the diamond will be the last shape that we'll see. Does anyone remember what the other fancy math word for this shape is? We said that often people will use the word diamond, but there's a better math word for it. It starts with an R, rhombus. That's a rhombus. Can you find some rhombuses? And a rhombus is a polygon. Well, how well have you done? Let's just take one last look at a few other things that we found in this book. And we'll see what you've learned about shapes here and there, about triangles, rectangles, circle, and square. About diamonds with stripes and circles with spots and an oval with flower. This oval has a lot. A square that is plaid and a rectangle blue. Next to yellow triangles, I see them. Do you? Well, it's fun to learn new shapes, and we know quite a few. We have learned all their names and the way they look too. And we've learned one thing more. Any place we may be, we can find all these shapes in the things that we see. And when you look around your house, I bet lots of those things are made out of different shapes. So I'm going to tell you which one's a polygon and which one's not. So this one, polygon. This one, not a polygon. The rhombus is a polygon. The triangle is a polygon. This rectangle and the triangle, those are polygons. The circle is not. None of those circles are. So I'm going to zip back to the other side. I'm going to have you guys follow me. Ready? Here we go. I'm on my spinny chair, spin around, spin around, spin around, spin around, spin around. And here we are. So, does anyone think that they might know what a polygon is? I bet some of you figured out that if it has a curved line, it's not a polygon. So a polygon needs to have straight lines, like a square. or a triangle. But something like a circle, not a polygon. What about something that has curved lines and circles? What about something like this? What do you think? Do you think that's a polygon or not a polygon? It's not a polygon. A polygon can't have any curved sides. It has to only have straight sides. Another rule for a polygon is this. I'm going to draw two shapes and I want you to guess which one you think is a polygon. They both are going to have straight sides, so it's going to be a little bit tricky. And, uh-oh, my lights went out. And which one of these two do you think is the polygon? Do you think this is a polygon? Go ahead and call out yes or no. What about this one? Do you think that one's a polygon? Go ahead and call out yes or no. They both have straight sides, but this one is not a polygon. A polygon has to be closed up. Oh, there's a little opening, so I'm going to close it up so make sure it's a real polygon. So it has to have straight sides and closed up. That's what makes a polygon. So in your book today, what I'd like for you to do, it's going to be one of those cutting and gluing ones again. You're going to look at these shapes, these drawings, and you're going to decide if it's a polygon or not a polygon. So remember, something that has straight sides and all the way closed. So does this one have straight sides, this trapezoid? It does. Is it closed up? It is. So that is a polygon. Let's look at this shape right here, this picture that they drew. Straight sides? Sure does. Is it closed up? It's not closed up, so it would go under not a polygon. So this is a little bit trickier for maybe some people because it's a new word that we haven't used before, and that word is polygon. And polygon is a kind of a shape that has straight lines and is closed up. So I want you to do your very best on that. And when you are done, you're going to turn to this page and you're going to just color in ones that are polygons. So you'll have to look really closely. Oh, there's that first one. Is that a polygon? Not a polygon. I'm not going to color it in. This one is though, so I'm going to color that one in. Looking at the next shape, there's an oval. It has curved lines, not a polygon. Here's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. That's a pentagon. That's a polygon. I'm going to color that in. All right, so I want you to count how many color in and then count how many polygons you find on this page. So today, for today's lesson, this page and this page. And again, if you have any questions, you guys know where to find me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.